Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how I'm refreshing my bedding for spring. This video is in partnership with Jcpenney. I got this beautiful comforter set which I am in love, you guys. First of all, the color, it's so my style. You guys know I love my grays, and this one has a pop of blush, very light, and it's just a perfect texture. I am in love, you guys. And this comforter set comes with 13 pieces. That means you have everything you need to refresh your bedding. You don't need to buy anything else. Everything is in this bag. Comforter set, it's called Maywood and it's by Liz Claiborne, and I'm in love with it. As you can see, it's beautiful. It comes with everything you need inside. It has one more decorative pillow, it has the bed sheets, it has Euro shams, and it also has a bed scare in there. Also loving the sheets that came with this set because they're super lightweight, but they're super soft, you guys. Like, they're so silky, so this will transition really well for spring and summer because how lightweight they are. The comforter has really good quality as well. It is super soft and it's reversible. On the other side, it's a solid gray color. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your beautiful blush pillows that match the comforter so well, and it gives it a more pop of color. I'm also adding the decorative pillows that came with this set, which are so pretty, like this one with the sequins. It is so gorgeous. My husband was nice enough to move my oversized mirror from my dining room into our bedroom, and I love how it looks in this area. I'm adding a little plant here to bring the outdoors in this spring season, and I love it. It's amazing how switching out the bedding can just totally transform a space. Look how beautiful my bedroom looks now with the new bedding. It looks just brand new, fresh, like a hotel room. You feel like so refreshed. That's how I'm feeling right now. Don't forget to check your local Jcpenney or shop online at jcpenney.com. Jcpenney has everything you need to refresh your home this spring. I can hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I hope you enjoy my bedroom refresh for spring. Let me know down in the comments what color are you planning to use in your bedroom this spring. I also want to thank Jcpenney for sponsoring today's video, and I want to thank you all for watching. I will see you all on my next video. God bless.